Hello, my name is Rohit. Today my topic is disrupting the comic book industry with 3D printing. Here we go. Introduction of 3D printing. 3D printing is a process whereby a real object is created from a 3D design. When someone gives command to the 3D printer, then it prints layer by layer a 3D object. There are different 3D printing technologies. The main difference in these technologies is how layers are built. 3D printing with comic book. When we print comics with 3D printing, it looks more attractive and interesting as compared to simple comic books. It improves the quality of the comic book and its characters also look more interesting and attractive as compared to simple comic book. And customers buy more 3D comics, which is increases the comic book industry business. Here we see the main difference between normal comic book and 3D comic book. When we see the 3D comic book, it is more attractive and interesting as compared to normal comic book. Future of 3D printing comic books. It will increase the interest of the comic readers in 3D comics, and they also buy more comics and as compared to simple comics, which is good for the comic book industry and the business also growing up. Future of 3D comics. This is the report of the comic book industry which said in future the growth of the 3D comics is very high from 2019 to 2024, which is very good for 3D comics. Disruption of comic book industry. 3D printing is directly impact of the comic book industry with several ways. It will change the old style manufacture technique and supply. It will directly impact to the cost of the product and its quality. Companies use the 3D printer to print the 3D comics. It can decrease the cost of manufacture. It creates the new future of the 3D comics. In last, I said 3D comics have a very bright future in upcoming years. Thank you.